Assalamu alaikum ya shabab. Welcome to another video. Yes, I did just speak in Arabic. I'm not fluent in Arabic. I love Arabic music, I love singing in Arabic, but I never know what the words mean, and I don't really want to know, because it's like a secret code. Yeah, it's just, I don't know, it's like secret words to me, to my ears, and I love it so much. عربي موسيقى جميلة جدا جميلة جدا جدا. Anyway, this video is not about Arabic music. This video is about النوكيا 6.1. I was trying to say Nokia 6.1, but I probably did that wrong. Anyway, here we go. We're turning on the Nokia. And I said Assalamu alaikum ya shabab, just basically, hi guys. Hi. Peace be upon you, young people. It's kind of what it translates to, but I'm meaning it as more like hi guys. Okay, I tried to do a ringtone video on the Note 9, the Galaxy Note 9, and it died. It died halfway through it, so I'm like, no, I'm not posting that. So this one's okay.
Finish setting up your screen.
Yeah, right.
40 no device unlocked.
We're gonna go here.
Apps
and then
list.
we're going to go to apps list and
NPS apps search.
What is that?
NPS in list.
What is
apps
that?
list search. Google search. Voice search button.
Right.
Google Assist.
No, I don't want that, love.
Home.
Right.
Home. Go to sign in.
No. I'm not.
Home.
No.
Tuesday the 20th at a glance.
Yes, I couldn't care less if it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I just need to go into the settings. Not that this screen reader can hear me, but
Google Lens button.
if it could, that would probably be what I would.
Home.
I'd probably say something like that.
Home. Home. App. NPS
very
in
sorry
list
this
3 item.
Glitching so
Google
much.
Play settings.
There we go. Finally, I got to the settings. Right.
Settings. Search. Add finger.
How long is it gonna take me to get to sound and vibration? Or not?
Apps.
Or sound
Battery.
and
Display.
not sound and vibrations.
Sound.
Got it.
Sound. Do not. Shortcut. Phone ringtone.
There we go.
Phone
Make sure it's
ringtone.
SIM1.
SIM1. Navigate up button.
Yes.
Not. Ticked. Nokia.
Woo! Right. Here we go. Talkback is now off. Here we go with the ringtones. Oopsies. I have yet to hear this ringtone in public. It's so unique. And no one uses it. It's kind of sad. It's nice. I always feel like I'm going down a spiral because this is called Nokia spirals, but it just feels very spirally, you know? And that is the ringtones. Now for
Talk back up.
message tones.
Vibrate for tune.
Slash default notification
Phone ring.
tones.
Advanced default note. Phone ring. Default alarm. Default notification sound. Talk back up.
And I'll just scroll right to the top. Here we go. Oh, whoops. Okay, there we go for notification tones. Oops.
Talk.
And now we're going to go to...
Charging sounds and vibration.
Yeah.
Default notification.
Default alarm tone.
Default alarm sound. Navigate
Sound,
up.
even.
Ticked Nokia alarm _ clock.
Okay, here we go. You'll recognize the first one from the Nokia Lumia, if you guys ever had it, or the Microsoft Lumia. A little bit different. And yeah, that is it. I'm actually going to turn this phone off.
Quick step. Phone options. Restart. 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 Screenshot.
I love the noise it makes whenever you take a screenshot though, because
Quick step.
I love
At
that
a
sound.
glance. Phone option.
Okay, right now I just actually turn it
Screenshot.
off.
Power up. Shutting down.
So it is now shutting down. And yeah. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye.
Speech selected. Announce notification. Music recognition. Hearing music select. Stop selected. Screen recording.